Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Messenger floating video call not working. If you are using Facebook Messenger and you're trying to make a video call, but you're facing the issue that your video call is not working in floating mode, so let's see how can you fix that. Here you can see I have a video call on my iPhone, and when I swipe it up, it doesn't work in floating video call mode. So let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So in order to fix that, you have to enable a simple setting in your iPhone or Android settings. But very first segment, you have to make an update to your Messenger app. So open your Play Store or App Store, and here you have to search for Messenger, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your Messenger app. And after that, go back, open your settings app here. So in Android or any iPhone, you have to simply search for PIP, or you have to search for picture in picture mode. So you have to simply search for this one. Once you get that, tap on that, and here you have to simply enable this setting. Once you have enabled this setting, if you are on Android, you will find this setting. It's only for Messenger. You have to enable this setting for your Messenger app, and after that you have to go back and open your Messenger app, or you have to wait for a call here. And here, once you get the call, here you can see I have a call, and now I'm going to make it in floating mode. So simply swipe up, and it will be converted into floating mode. So in this way, you can easily make floating video call on your iPhone or any Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.